If you are tired of inconsistent heating and difficult cleanup, this 30-inch electric ceramic cooktop is the ultimate upgrade to streamline your kitchen workflow. It's built for the home chef who demands professional-level power without the complexity of touch-sensitive panels that often struggle with wet or greasy hands. This cooktop is a true workhorse, combining a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with the kind of robust controls that give you total confidence while you cook. Here is why this 4-burner powerhouse is the perfect fit for your countertop. Precision control, featuring reliable knob controls. This cooktop gives you immediate, tactile feedback. You aren't tapping through menus. You're turning a dial for the exact heat intensity you need, making it incredibly intuitive for everything from a gentle simmer to a high-heat sear. High-performance power. With a massive 6700W total output, this unit heats up almost instantly. The inclusion of a dual-ring burner adds incredible versatility, allowing you to match the heating element perfectly to the size of your pan, whether you're using a small saucepan or a large stock pot. Safety and reliability. Safety is built in with a dedicated child lock and clear heat residual indicators, ensuring you know exactly when the surface is safe to touch. It is designed to be 240V hardwired, ensuring the consistent, high-voltage power delivery required for reliable, even cooking. Perfect fit. Designed to drop right into a 29.13 inches by 19.3 inches cutout. It's the ideal size to replace standard electric stoves, instantly modernizing your kitchen with a durable, easy-to-clean ceramic glass surface that wipes down in seconds. Smart features. The built-in timer is a game-changer for multitasking. Whether you're roasting vegetables or boiling pasta, you can set your cook time and walk away. Knowing your stove will help keep your schedule on track. This cooktop is for the person who values a straightforward, always-ready kitchen experience. It cuts out the frustration of older heating elements and gives you a professional, high-performance surface that looks great and performs even better. If you are finally ready to retire your old stove and bring serious, efficient, and precise power to your culinary projects, you can find the best price for this 30-inch electric cooktop by clicking the link below.